Day in the life of a successful mobile car detailer. Got a $1,000 day lined up with a ceramic coating on this Tesla Model S Plaid, some maintenance on some of my own personal vehicles, and some work on the computer to show you the back end of what it actually takes to run a business at this scale. And not only are we going to be talking about what we're doing to the cars, but we're going to be talking about the skills that I've learned over the past 2 years, going from $0 to $25,000 a month in my detailing business, so you can start yours or grow it if you've already got the ball rolling. So of course, the first step of the ceramic coat is to do a full wash of the exterior to make sure that the paint is in the best possible condition before you start polishing it. But why mobile detailing? Why is this a business that I started 2 years ago, and why did I grow it to the point where it is now? Is it because I had such a passion for cars? No. It's actually because I saw more opportunity coming out of a small business model. If you can start a business for $500 like mobile car detailing, and in just a couple years be networking with multi-millionaires and building other companies off the back of it, that is a phenomenal position to be in. And it all came because you decided to choose to start a simple business and learn the basic fundamentals along the way. And if you like the thickness of the foam that I'm using, it's Incredible Suds by DIY Detail. By far the most efficient soap that I've ever used. It's one cap full in a foam can and gets you this amount of foam. And all the products that I am using are linked in the description below. Now, after the main wash, we have to decontaminate the whole paint. This is a 2024 Model S Plaid, so it's brand new. He's only had it for a couple of weeks. So we don't need to use a heavy iron remover. I just have a synthetic clay towel that all I'm gonna be doing is using soap on it, dipping it in the bucket, and just gliding it along the edge of the paint. And this is just to make sure that we don't have any contaminants that are going to impede and be in the way when it's time to polish. So before I get ready to polish the vehicle, I just need to do a quick rinse and then dry it off. But I need to stress the importance of something to you off the back of the last conversation that we had, and that is the importance of life setup. What do I mean by this? I mean positioning yourself in a situation where you attract more opportunity. This detailing business has done a couple things for me. One, it has allowed me to network with higher level individuals than myself, people with high level jobs, or people that are other entrepreneurs that have other businesses locally and abroad. Why? Because I'm working on nice vehicles. That is literally my job. I have more opportunity doing this than I would if I worked at Dairy Queen or McDonald's, okay? Even if a detailing business is just a side hustle for you, making $3,000 a month, the same amount that you would make if you were working full-time at a fast food restaurant, there is still more opportunity. The second opportunity that I have positioned myself to take advantage of is being able to create content like this and sell products for other companies. I have multiple companies that have reached out to me directly without me having to contact them that have offered to give me affiliate links for their products that I already use, products that I already love. And I am able to make close to the same amount that I make detailing every single day online as a bonus. Look, when I started my detailing business, I didn't have anyone telling me what I'm telling you. Everybody was just talking about what soap to use, what products to use. And while that's all fine and dandy, and I have videos like that on my channel, there is a real importance to understanding the business side of it and understanding how to set your life up in such a way where you achieve success. Because if you're a true hustler, you don't just stop at washing cars, making a few $1,000s extra per month. You grow that into a full-time business and eventually build a multi-5-figure a month income for yourself. And I believe that we are on the cusp of building an amazing movement of young guys that realize the opportunity in simple businesses like detailing and use that to get them to the next level. All right, so you should be able to see that what I'm doing for the polish is stupid simple. This is what we call a paint enhancement. It's a super light polish. I'm just using my Rupes Bigfoot polisher with a DIY Detail waffle pad on top. It's not doing much cutting. There's not a lot of scratches and swirls. The paint is in phenomenal condition. So the whole vehicle is gonna take about an hour and a half to polish in its entirety, and that'll bring the paint to the point where it's ready to install the ceramic coating. And we're using DIY Detail's gold standard polish. This is a light polish, it's a heavy polish. It all depends on what kind of pad you use. So pairing the two together is exactly what we need for a paint enhancement. All right, so now we're ready to install the ceramic coating. I've just wiped down the whole thing with alcohol. So the paint is clean, it's ready to go. We're using DIY Detail's 8-year ceramic coating for this. So it's a perfect mix of gloss, durability, and hydrophobic properties. And then we're going to use this little pad that comes with it. And this is one of the easiest ceramic coatings to install that I've seen on the market personally without compromising on quality. This 8-year bottle is $160. Their 3-year bottle starts at $60. So I've seen a lot of 3-year ceramic coatings that are $100, $150. So DIY Detail makes some of the most affordable and efficient coatings on the market, in my opinion. Let's see. So it's literally as simple as putting 8 drops on this and then rubbing it in on the paint and then following up after it's cured with a towel just to wipe it off and level it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Okay, that's 10 drops. So we'll do a slightly larger area with it. And it's literally on this pad. That's 8 drops. Okay, and then you draw for yourself an outline of an area about that big that you're going to work on. And then from there, you just start to rub it in. And you're basically coloring in the whole square that you just drew for yourself. It's gonna take about 60 seconds to flash. It's definitely better to work out of direct sunlight. We're currently in a very cloudy day right now, so we're good. I usually install these in the customer's garage though, if we don't have clouds out. It's gonna take about 60 seconds to level. And for leveling it, this is literally as simple as just wiping it softly without using a whole lot of pressure with a clean microfiber towel. There she is, fully ceramic coated, and I'll give you a few more angles and shots of what it looks like after we finish here in a minute. But I want to give you a little bit of information on our ceramic coatings. So we have a 3-year, a 5-year, and an 8-year. The 8-year is $1,350 for a vehicle of this size. We're doing it for $1,050 today, $300 off. And the reason why is because it's a long-term customer. They've had vehicles ceramic coated with us in the past. We've maintained their vehicles for a while, so we gave them a bit of a discount as well. And we also give free follow-up washes 1 month after ceramic coatings. This is for any customer, and this is to ensure that the coating is doing what it's supposed to do, but it's also to come back a month later and pitch them on our maintenance service, which can run anywhere from $75 to $200 a month, depending on what they need. And look, if you need help starting or growing your mobile detailing business, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. It's the top link in the description. I answer every single DM to help you start and grow. Yes, I have thousands of followers, but every single day I sit down and respond to the DMs that I can get to, because I really believe that mobile detailing is a phenomenal way for young people to change their lives. Right, so we're back at the house. The detail started at 10:30 a.m. and I finished at 3:30 p.m. Got home by about 4 o'clock. So that is a 5-hour detail, ceramic coating, full paint enhancement polish. It was $1,050. That's basically working part-time, making what most people make in an entire week. But I totally forgot that I was recording this vlog, because as soon as I got home, I spent the next 6 hours working on my computer. It's literally 10:30 at night when I'm recording this right now. And I meant to show you the process of what I was doing afterward, but I'll just go ahead and give you a window into what the past 6 hours of back-end work of the business actually looked like. So the best part about having a successful detailing business is once you get the right systems in place, all you have to do is pick up the phone, respond to your customers, and show up and do a good job. So there's really not that much computer work that I have to do on the main detailing business. This allows me to explore other endeavors and other businesses. So there's 2 main things that I'm pursuing right now. The first and the primary focus is my education company for detailers. It's my private mentorship group. And I spent a couple hours chatting with some of the guys today, helping them grow and level up their business inside of the community group there. And then I spent a whole bunch of time responding to my DMs. We've got a new DM sales system that we've implemented inside the DMs, so we're still kind of tweaking it and making sure that it's good to go, trying to figure out who is the right fit for the mentorship program, right? So I get hundreds of DMs every single day, and I take time to respond to every single one of them, but we're still building out a better system to make sure that we know who is truly serious and ready to commit to our group and ready to level up their business with us. The second opportunity that I'm pursuing as of late is a crypto project. So I'm keeping that on the hush hush for right now, but it's been doing quite well. A business partner of mine and mentor that I visited in Miami, Florida, which I have another vlog coming out about, he and I started a crypto project together. And we've been working on that for the past 2 weeks. So just exploring, investing, and multiplying the wealth that I'm already building from detailing. The last thing that I took care of today was making some more content for my Instagram, and I signed up for an affiliate program from Car Supplies Warehouse. They gave me a care package for free. And guys, let me just tell you this. For the past 6 months, I've been recording my details and posting them on Instagram, posting them on YouTube, and getting an audience and signing up for affiliate programs like DIY Detail, like Car Supplies Warehouse. And what that does is just by posting the details, posting what I do every day anyway, without having to go out of my way and do anything else other than pick up my phone like I'm doing right now, I've been able to test new products before they come out from various companies and make a few $1,000s a month extra online from affiliate commission. Like literally, you can go in the description right now and you can buy some of the products that I use, some of the products that I really like, and I get some commission off of that. So if there's any takeaway to have from this video, it's go ahead and record what you're doing anyway, right? You're a detailer. Go ahead and record your process, post it online, get a little bit of a following, and sign up for some affiliate programs, because that'll put extra money in your pocket without having to do a whole lot of extra work. So that concludes the vlog. I know we have some more professional style vlogs that are very well made, but this one I wanted to just pick up my phone, show you what a day in the life actually looks like, so you can get an insight, a window into what my life looks like as a mobile car detailer. But I'm tired, going to bed.